Here's how to fix Facebook dating if it's not showing up. Now, if you want to go on Facebook and start dating people, or at least finding other people to go on dates with, maybe just meet friends, I can show you how to do that, especially if it's not showing up. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into Facebook here and tap on the profile at the very bottom right. From here, let's scroll down and you're going to want to hit see more and look for the dating option here. So you can see I can tap on dating and it says Facebook dating. I can hit get started and next, and then just go through this process of setting up your account and setting up who you want to date, who do you want to be friends with, etc. However, let's say this isn't showing up at all on your account. The very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are eligible to get that Facebook dating. It says to access Facebook dating, you have to be at least 18 years or older. You have to have a Facebook account in good standing for the last 30 days, and I'll show you how to find that. Let's open Facebook back up and we'll just go back out of here. I'm going to hit exit and go back. To find your standing in the basically menu options, we're going to open up help and support, and then we're going to go to account status. Now, what you're looking for is your profile at the very top, and it should have a green check mark. If it does, then you have a good and healthy account status, and you should be eligible to get Facebook dating. If there is an issue with there, you can always open it up and see what that issue is and resolve or appeal that issue. Now, let's go back into the support page because there are other requirements. You have to be in a country where Facebook dating is available. And it says basically this long list of countries. You can see I'm in the United States, so it is available where I am. If you're not in a country that it's available, then unfortunately you can't access it. There are other requirements. You have to have a dating profile, and if you deleted one within the last 7 days, you can't make a new one. And then if you scroll down, it says you have to basically not have a new or inactive account, and you have to not have gone against the community guidelines. Now, if all of that works for you, you basically don't, violate anything, you meet all those requirements. The thing I would recommend doing next is heading into settings here, tapping on general, and then iPhone storage. There could be a bug or glitch in the Facebook app. So let's find Facebook on this list and just offload this app and reinstall it. What this does is it force updates a fresh new version of Facebook, and it deletes out all of the cache and the temporary files in that app, a lot of times fixing bugs or glitches in that app. So once that's done and it's reinstalled, all you need to do is open it up. The last thing that I would recommend doing is once that's opened up, if you still don't get into Facebook and get to Facebook dating, tap on the profile at the bottom right. And then we're just going to scroll down to the bottom and just hit log out and then log back into your account. Again, for whatever reason, just logging out and logging back in a lot of times fixes these issues. And then you should be able to get in there and start creating your Facebook dating profile. I hope this helped. If it did, again, hit that subscribe button down below. It really is the best way that you can say thank you. Thank you.